Action.
We ended up breaking our motor. This is supposed to not be broken.
We are stuck on it.
Out here moving whole trees.
We're wedged in between both.
Oh no, brace for impact.
This is so bad.
The current's taking us.
We're at the mercy of the river.
Alarms are going off.
I gotta gun it.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God.
Hell yeah. We're gonna fucking die. Chaos going on out here.
Rumor has it one of the River Boys is gonna be appearing. There he is.
Nope.
Just a 300-pound woman. Exact opposite of Ryan. Party's here.
Let's go.
All right, Fatoe, why are you late? Tell the world.
Woke up and I got yelled at by my wife. Supposed to hang out with her.
And you were nowhere to be found.
And I was nowhere to be found.
What time did you get home last night?
Around 3 a.m. My buddy was like, come in for a beer. So I went for a beer. Supposed to hang out at 8 o'clock and now it's 3 in the morning.
All right, Rob. Film Coot's working. Film Coot's getting to work. Can't find a way through, you gotta make a way. Going to work.
You guys didn't know what you were getting into today, did you? Thought we were chilling.
Well, Fatoe is. Get hit in the face with the grappling hook.
Uh-oh, watch out.
Give it a yank, dude.
I think it might be part of that thing.
We're at a heavy log jam here. Not going anywhere. Get out of the way. Who's swinging this grappling hook? Ooh, that stop. We got a pole I can push something with. I should have never gave you the camera. Get that good deed on camera right there.
Come on, Rob, do something.
Keep moving.
There you go.
Light work when you got the right tools, you know?
That was my idea. I said do that.
You think we can go? Everyone get on the left side of the boat.
Does he duck? It don't matter if you run over like little stuff like this to the middle.
No, Rob. You an idiot? You some kind of idiot, Rob?
Are we still top front right?
Yeah.
Are we free though?
It might be. Yeah, you're free from
There we go.
everything.
We're through.
Fatoe, get a shot of the back
Look
log
what we just
away.
ran over.
Go, go, go. Tell a story what happened.
We wedged ourselves on top of that, and then we just had to move Mark's mass around to get free.
Yeah.
So now turn it off? 7 minutes.
Yeah, just turn it off.
All right, we're stuck again.
Back to work.
Yeah, breaks over. I love it because that huge branch is just like right by the non-window. Thank God that window got blown out. Coots, we got a bobber. We're gonna add that to the fishing collection. Coots and I are making a river-found tackle box.
That's pretty bad, actually.
If we find line, we can do by hand.
You got a hook?
Yeah, 2 of them.
You got 2 hooks?
We got 2 lures, I think they're called.
Starting to rain a little bit out here. We're not worried about it. Work don't stop. Out here moving whole trees. Whatever it takes to clean the river up, keep it safe. Fatoe, get in there and get that bobber for us.
Yeah, we gotta get that bobber, man.
Fatoe's got his Sunday best on. He don't want to get in there today.
Mark doing pooping.
Guys doing electrical work. Mark, what you doing in here?
According to my calculations, we're gonna run out of power. Trying to wire this thing up so we can plug in the generator, but I don't know what I'm doing.
That might be a while.
Yeah.
Leave him to it. If you give us some power, we could probably go through. There you go. Grappling hook fell off the boat and caught something. We're good. Just to meet up with another log jam.
What do you want to do here? Give a little gas forward right and then cut it.
Cleaning up the river, doing a good deed for the week.
That's a pretty cool hat, Fatoe.
Yeah, right?
That mallard.
That royal mallard on there.
Yeah. Come on, www.royalmallard.com.
Coots chopping away over here, cleaning up the river, trying to get through here. Some log jams are easier, some logs don't want to go anywhere.
Rob, you doing anything?
Supervising. Doing a good job, Coots. Couldn't do it without you. Just out here working.
Got one janitor closet member over here sawing, one janitor closet member over here wearing electrical out.
Works better.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, see the red handle.
Oh, this one. Multiple saws. Can we take over?
Your bones handle it, Rob, you think?
If you get lucky with on camera, Rob's elbow is snapping in half. Snap! But the elbow looks like it's all out of grease. Ain't no more elbow grease left.
Oh! Let's go!
Bone Dust, you're our hero.
All in a day's work on the river. Goes what we just took care of, floating down the river. Full steam ahead. Take a look at what we just got through. That branch right there just got sawed in half, no big deal. Right there is what you're looking at. Cut that in half. See ya. Good work, boys.
Oh yeah.
See how I did that, Fatoe?
See
what I did? See what I did there, Fatoe? Well, we made it about 50 yards. And time to get back to work. Break didn't last long.
The thing about the river is she's a bitch to enjoy.
Might be enough room for us to squeeze through here.
There we go. Hang on.
Uh-oh. Try and push us off over here.
I think we're stuck on.
We're wedged in between both.
There we go.
Might be River Boy's demise. Psych, never. There's no such thing.
Rob, shake that ass in the camera.
Be careful you don't
Watch
get
your
caught in the
face.
bite there, Fatoe.
Watch your face. That ain't going nowhere. Going nowhere.
Going nowhere.
Damn River! If we could get rid of that one log that's pinning, but it looks like it's like boarded up by 30 other logs. Save that board, we might use that.
Might use that for some furniture back at the house.
Yeah.
A nice piece of 1x8 there.
Yeah.
Rough saw. Want me to hacksaw that fucking bow saw that shit? All in a day's work, you know? Woo.
Get about an inch in, Rob.
That's what she said. Cutting all this we got.
You gonna give him like a bitch, Rob, or what? That's all she wrote?
Can you get through there?
No, Rob's the bitch elbows. Eventually, a real man can probably get through
Have
that.
at it.
Just a grown boy trying his best.
I think we got this thing wired decently, and we're gonna hang it. Try and run the generator.
We rode the engine a little bit harder than we should have. No sun today, and we got all these upgrades. So now we can hook up a generator.
Right. That seems good. Now we gotta flip this thingy. I think it does something. There we go. Charging 1,000 watts.
Don't keep getting this bobber.
Get this bobber, Cooterman.
I don't know what I'm doing over here.
That's a full set.
Yeah, we can catch us some fish now.
Guys trying to cut my Achilles tendon with the old snips.
One thing.
Yeah. What? That anchor.
I got that off of like Craigslist for like 20 bucks.
Mark.
Hello? Hello?
Here's a little,
A ladder to get up there.
I'll run up there and jump and grab that.
You just gave me the camera, you do it.
There's no way.
Well, don't be a punk. Camera's on you, get up there. All right, lights, camera, action.
There's no way.
You're not getting up there. I mean, I want you to. Dude, bravo.
What's up there?
I need a couple more inches.
That's what she said.
Look at the teamwork. There we go. Dude, you want the camera?
What's up there?
Nothing.
It's not even the floor. That's why they call him Uncle Monkey. Did you guys put that thing there?
Nah, and it wasn't here last time.
That's awesome because somebody wanted it. Yeah. There she is.
Yep, this ain't bad at all.
Yeah, we should have got a bunch of like barbecue and.
Girl, you got canned beans.
Speaking of. Got him!
You know who you're doing.
How
much gas I produce on a daily basis?
but it doesn't affect me, man.
Oh, it's about to.
Ooh.
What it's about to.
Challenge accepted. Not all work.
Yes.
Not all work.
Not all work.
We like to relax. Work hard, we play hard.
Clean up the river and we relax.
Game.
Clash Royale.
Who's gonna win?
Oh, me, obviously.
Do you think you're gonna win?
Well, our record is 14-0. So.
Ooh, is that true?
That's false. At least one win against.
No, you do not.
I got a picture of it. October 14th. 9:10 a.m. Like the jury to note that.
Yep. Fatoe's very confident.
This guy's going down so hard.
Otto's got his Mega Knight he tries dropping. He's got a rocket he likes to use. I know how he plays better than he does.
The Mega Knight's gonna come down and you go, "Rah!"
He likes to save the rocket to the
Fuck up your whole world.
And he likes to hit the button.
The match is about to happen.
Uh-oh.
Is it going good or bad?
Oh, it's always going good against Fatoe.
Oh no!
Uh-oh, Fatoe.
Rob's kind of piecing me up a little bit. No big.
Who's winning?
Beating his ass.
Rob, are you losing? Is that true?
That's not true.
Oh, it's true.
There's only 30 seconds left. So it's 1-1. Only 20 seconds left.
Oh, Mega Knight. Oh, sudden death.
Done dead. OT.
Oh no, Rob.
Oh, he's sending the rocket.
Oh no!
Then he's got a rocket he likes to use.
Oh my God!
He called it.
To save the rocket to the
Fuck up your whole world.
He called it. That's gonna be on the internet, Rob.
Poor Rob.
Dude, he even called it. He was like, "You Fatoe sends these little rockets."
Yeah, I told you what his strategy is. To save the rocket to the
Fuck up your whole world.
Who's going to work over here?
Get it, Goose, get it. Yeah, you gotta do the YouTube thing. Like, oh my God! Oh my God!
Making progress.
This is so bad right now. The current's taking us. We're at the mercy of the river. Arms are This is so bad.
Thick in the water here. There's something small. Chaos going on out here. Here's a duck.
Let's try this again. What do we got?
Drainage.
Oh,
For drainage.
Now we're stuck on this thing. Oh my God. Yeah.
Not looking good. We're on a gigantic log here.
The water's pushing us.
Take out Rob's back.
Uh-oh! Oh no! Brace for impact! Dude, that pontoon gave a big old crack. That thing moved.
We are caught on this huge tree. Let's see. Walk down the line here. And there's the tree right there. It is big, and we are stuck on it.
I think I like swing the nose that way.
Yeah. Because if we can get up here, we can turn around. If we turn around here, we're gonna
Wow,
get
we're just
trapped.
getting pinned like this.
This thing's not even moving. Toots, what if you did like an underhand grapple, like? All right, we're doing some. Oh,
There we go.
I can't push no more.
fuck, the GoPro fell.
Explain what happened.
Cooterman?
Definitely not all the fire.
Would you?
Heads up.
Gee.
Left, left.
There you go.
This is where the fun begins.
Now we're gonna do it fast.
We're just hang on.
Now we're gonna do what we just did, but really fast.
Oh boy, oh boy. Heads up. All right, hang on, cause I got a gun.
Hell yeah.
Oh my God.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna fucking die.
Yep. This is what we do for fun. You guys thought you were gonna go on a nice, relaxing boat trip.
Going about 6 knots.
Yep.
Uh-oh, got a dicey turn coming up. Mark's been watching too much Formula One. Skirt! Mark's over here taking these turns fast.
Have to, or else you can't steer.
Rally turn, I drifted, man.